The first step in setting a pin placement is to set up a rotation. Uplink personnel probably will have set up a few for you to start, but it doesn't hurt to go over it. Click on the Setup button. In the Setup window, first we'll click on Course Setup. We can specify which days your course is open, and we can also enable rotations. Here's how this works. If you have 4 daily rotations and are closed on Mondays, the system will automatically rotate through the 4 rotations every day except Monday. So if you have the first set of pins in effect on Sunday, the system will know to skip Monday and put the second set of pins into effect on Tuesday. I can select over here which course I want to change. I can set up 2 courses differently if my facility has 2 different courses. For example, I could have one 18-hole facility closed on one day and another closed on a different day, or I could enable rotations on one course and not another. I'm working on an 18-hole facility, so you see there's only one course listed here in the Select Course list. Next, click on the Options tab. The Measure Your Distances From applies to pin sheet printouts. Normally, the pin sheet printouts will measure the distance from the closest edges, so if the pin is back right, it will give the distance from the back edge and the right edge. You can also set it up to always measure from the front left edge or from the center. So let's click here and see what happens when we go to print out pin sheet. You see, even though this pin is back left, rather than measuring from the back and left, it measures from the front and left as we specified. I'm going to go back to the setup screen and change it back to closest edge. In the next section, we'll click on the Pin Setup tab to learn about setting up pin rotations.